Welcome back to another episode of Meal Prep 101. Once again, we're going to be doing the meal prep for the week. Today we're going to be making some chicken, always chicken because I love chicken, some salmon, and also some ground turkey. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start with some cilantro. I'm gonna start chopping some cilantro. Okay, like always, I'm gonna start making my rice. Put 1 cup of rice. And I'm gonna put 1.5 cups of water because this is jasmine rice. Then I'm gonna cut a lime. And just squeeze it in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil and some salt. I'm gonna throw some of the cilantro that I just chopped and mix it. I'm gonna start with the ground turkey. I'm gonna start with this is 1.7 pounds. Yeah, 1.7 pounds of ground turkey. Put some cooking spray. And throw the turkey. I'm gonna put some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I'm also going to put some Italian seasoning. I'll mix it a little bit. What? Does it sound chunky? I'm gonna take out my favorite piece of cookingware. Heat it up at medium. Alright, the next step is to hit that like button right below the screen. And now what I'm gonna put in the griddle is this pre-marinated teriyaki chicken. I marinated it last night. It takes like a few minutes. You can literally just put it in a bag like this. I have 4 pieces of chicken thigh, and then I marinate it with like teriyaki sauce. You can use whatever teriyaki sauce that you like. Dump that teriyaki chicken in there. And I'm gonna put 2 more pieces of chicken thigh. I'm gonna go back to the ground turkey and mix it a little bit. Make sure it's cooking well. Alright, if you saw my previous video on the chicken thigh, I put this nice combo of paprika, chipotle chili pepper, and the Cali blackened seasoning. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the last 2 pieces of chicken thigh that I have. Add some salt and mix it up. Alright, I'm gonna throw them in the fire. And I'm gonna go back to my ground turkey. Alright, my ground turkey is almost done. So I'm gonna start putting mushrooms and spinach. Get yourself one of these sliced mushrooms. Just make sure to wash them before you use them. throw the mushrooms in there. I'm gonna throw probably like half of this bag of spinach. I'm gonna try to carefully mix this in there so it doesn't fall. I'm gonna check on my chicken. Got a nice flip. I think that one overcooked a little bit. I did it on purpose. I like it overcooked.
Throw it in the trash.
Throw it in the trash. Just like your steak. I want to check this one. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing my ground turkey. Okay, I think this is done. Just gonna turn it off and put in my containers. And before I do that, I'm gonna check this. Make sure that I don't purposely overcook it. So I'm also gonna put in my container. I'm gonna wash this pan real quick because I'm gonna reuse it. The water is alive. We got flying water in this household. All right, on my pan, I'll put about medium. Put some olive oil. Put 1 minced garlic. I'm gonna turn off my chicken because this should be done. And just cook that garlic for a little bit till it's like golden brown. Lower the heat to low. And right here, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on my salmon. I'll flip it to the other side. Put more salt and pepper. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut in the middle right here. Just a little crevice. And I'm gonna throw this on my pan with the garlic. I'm going to turn off the fire to medium, and I'm going to squeeze a lemon. Just going to put in the little crevice. I'm going to put some of that cilantro that I chopped. And I'm going to put some thyme. I'm going to put the rest of my chicken away. And while the salmon is cooking, I'm gonna start washing my dishes. Okay, I think it's time to flip the salmon. Back to the dishes. All right. Salmon should be done in a few more minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna put my rice in my containers. I'm gonna put one more lime in the rice. I'm gonna check on this salmon. Looking good. Let's put it on this side. Alright, back to my rice. Some rice on this. Alright, for my 3 plates that I made with ground turkey, the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my favorite sauce, classic Alfredo, and I'm gonna put it on one of this. And I'm gonna put it here. Just dump some of that good old sauce in there. And for the other 2, I'm gonna put my favorite classic tomato and basil sauce. And that's about right. And that's pretty much done. So I'm gonna turn it off. Last thing is, like always, just frozen veggies in there. Alright, and there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button. Leave a comment if you want us, if you have any questions or if you want to suggest anything. And thanks. I'll see you in the next one.